Mame Mao Akwaba emfa umbra Ghana TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Me Kwabenya MP Eli klima kulugu efine ekwe men kasa biem tie me si efine ekwe men kasa biem na ngwase na dɔɔso efine ekwe okɔ parliament house of plaster talewa no nation nose marks na ehwe pila kɛseɛ pa na parliament house wɔ no na fo akomnya ne kosi akyire kila one pa ne pila na so no fo akomnya ne kosi akyire na tra ho din ye ya ne apɛ ho asɛm ɔba fɛfɛ ɔho de ɛfɛ bɛ oblɔfo nkɔ wa ho ɔfɛ no oblɔfo nkɔ nti asɛrɛ ne ngwase na dɔɔso oba ye wonya hwe anwa hwe bɔrɔ ba kokora won sɛ bi mu kwan maye me kwaya menam so ekwan na kokota erosion take place ekwan na kakota ye nsu kan kitinkiti de yehuda bi enam shop be ya yedin ya pɛw saa efi na ne so a ne yapamo eti esraw brɔfo hu na dɔɔso ye de nyamidi pa wo kyɛw ɔba fɛfɛi efi na ekwemen kasa biem me matra do me Kwabenya 30 years MP said ye hu bi da ye first MP mimi bi de me be hu no ma ko senior lawyer adwasafo ba ye lawyer ma ko junior so ko be lawyer na se omko transcribe na ye nso hwe oba kokɔ obedu ya de brɔfo hu na ekum yen ama wo trend saa do me Kwabenya ye tre ha mfie bebrebe ya ma ne se ye hu bi da eti esraw o kwa fa plaster talewa no enkasa biem sunne tie me ente sa na kasa biem na begu enim asia ye be organize demonstration tiawo because brɔfo hu na dɔɔso ya bere wo otom oba fɛfɛ wa ho ofa no brɔfo nkɔ men kasa biem.
Mr. Speaker, under the watch of Honorable Atuforsen, he is bringing bold, systematic, investment-driven, and transformational to the economy. It addresses the root causes of agriculture underperformance, build sustainable value chains.
She tactisa on set Ghana for no. Omu so a ye say omu listen to tribal politics and omu di adwuma. Asam ketewa bi no bi beka eto omu trim. She ne se omu dave to nsuo na se a and omu behu say de nkrofo we nyina de nam omu de ye politics no ba omia ongyina ba bia nkasa fi say ade we na NDC for the bar power so Canada Japan using the same title say ebefa so what them person me say na say enwan wonam so na me ma sha say ye papa Jesse frimpon kodua nkobeka bibi eti we ma metwe ensema metete ya na ye to oba nyina papa no efe ne mahu say na ye nokbe because ade we me hu say for the past a year me hu say NPP for a year akuku dam omu gina party na nimu de me hu the most quiet leaders to say current one we are you woman to say what to me ma Canada fan munonum se no mo za de and wo din samone and wo set party no de manu mu twitwu from yes ye nim say mu nyina mu to wie na ba kom emerge vitra mo be kabom but this is not a year e was some tana hona empanifo mo de mu nsa hye mu dem fam no nipa ba ko no e say party no it doesn't work like that so what you say na de me bra yi be kan ye pa chaw muni openso din emfiri mo politics openso e na obi abekan openso din ade chikasa katre Ghana for asante for say mutia kontuo mu a mu ye japade na mu ye niam akase no mu fa bi mra santemam na mo ka say mu ye dai mu mama santemam mu hihia mo na nye so ode okasa masanteman ehu hia mo say mu fa nkoye politics Canada Japan wo ahemfie wo ekokokochia ho anaso watutu ntuma eguso na kwasia no so ono so te ayi no so wo masen so who are you utipani asanso boache ah Would depend as and so watch it. What is said dear crowd or said the beam? What is said dear as and so watch it? The mammy tongue could to where you said the beam. Munyam some no tongue Kennedy policies. Kennedy policies or person or debate the idea and no monton, mo campaign and another best at tone you. Na munyam cross so we are my bet now am we yin for so be and so yes remuni so ye gyina ye baako. Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia enye ni srem no free no ni nyansa no de bem boa da chema no ni ye hwehwe ni nyansa no ene de obetumi ne competences na obetumi de aye de aboa tememfo no eno ni ye hwehwe enye mu nsem hu na mo keka no wo ye srem ni oso ye de be ni o ye se ye ono a yen akafo no ye se ono a ne ye pe no because ye pese oman tu pon see NDC for FM. Ye person one man one ambition be. Nti mumfa mo nsam no enkodo na yaso enkwadi breast me that nyamisra.
So please, can you tell us your version of what happened at TV3 some few days ago?
Oh, TV3 assembly see na arehosem. And say omo frame say ye mra na ye medi budget ho nkom. Na budget na ye call ya ye kudi ho nkom no. And the call ye say ye many finance minister. The current finance minister na omu eye no an interview nti ono omu tena ho che kama the finance minister wie ni nkomodi no na Alfred the host no efre me ne Professor Bokpin say yemra meka finance minister ho na enyi ni nkomo because Professor Bokpin economist me say me economist and so fi say nkomo na aba na ye betimi ni finance minister edi ni ampa so any finance minister call ye no ye di nkomo no fefe so ma me mo yewura atofo se amba so obuade pa finance minister obuade pa ye di nkomo no kama ya yewura Bokpin ka asem o ka asem bia me ne nya adwe na maka me so one me nya adwa no aka ne nyina yesre finance minister ka asem me ne nya adwa na maka also de me ka one me nya adwa no so aka ne nyina yesre ntu hwa it was a lively program we had na akoye say ye nyina no ye dey educate Ghanaians ya nka na efe pa na finance minister etia ni na chika kana so sako baby to sorry ko e na chese say ye mani pa foforo be ka ho enti no na yewura host no e ya afedo kansi o kan say yewura Kofi Bento yewura professor sorry when you professor I mean cause professor yewura Bokpin e by and yewura Professor Jampu yeah yewura Professor Jampu and na ode Jones MP honorable Nelson Dofia Mako ene Martin Pebu odi omu nyina ede ebaaye odi sa ankofo no ba mu no mu ba mu no ene koye atimidi na chese akwese finance minister no nya abotre ne me edi nkomo no wo abotre kwa aso na omu ba mu no omu support to NDs omu kasa ma NDs Professor Jampo ene yewura honorable Nelson ne yewura Martin Pebu de na akwese they were not charitable to me but my main can say yewura Martin Pebu one yewura Nelson honorable Nelson Dofia Mako say mitimi bodini ya they were gentle okay. In fact omuni me nya adwen there but na deso e ma me kra me send data na me de kasa no me send data ni bi e de ma me send data ni bi de ma yewura Nelson na nige so eno na Professor Jampo be so ma ono de oye na adwen say or attack me personality na nya me de and I'm meeting me bemu be catch and say they all can win prof you are not being fair to me jade o ye no na address the makan they make and me say 1 + 1 = 2 and you better say as an academic you are also because George Oboa 1 + 1 = 3 na ye debate na omo musu now o attack me personality me I'm not talking I'm not an academic and a whole lot it's not nice and no na ye me ya na hona ye this ankomo no Professor Jampo nya me a me som no eni sorry free baby a ono wote etra yewura Kofi Bento etra yewura Bokpin say one me ba be satam na camera na me nko na camera na dey eda me so to sorry ya onam ho aye dey oba no Professor Bokpin and the block and nyesa anka cheze nko beto ahye me so omu pata wie ya me tiesi abonten no anya anto anche me so wie me tiesi abonten no sa ka asem bi ya me wiase me nya bi da na me pese asam no e wo lawyer fo nti me pese me ka ho asem wo ka asem ma na hye me pa dube won se tam anka me ko no me sa da mani eno na me da mani no na Professor Bob Pemon person me diamond nti ho ye aprapre kakra ho na TV3 twa ya omo de kira amansan se obi ahu se me ye aggressor so what I say ba nyankopon a me som no muntie se mo de yi na ya mo mfa nko nyame a me som no ya wo wosoro enim say Professor Jampo mom ne free ne end say oba be attack me. And I have put this challenge on my Facebook. Say I want TV3 to come out to deny say sadness. And I said jump na kramra me can say nyano kre so sorry ba so on me ba be ko. So the jump and sorry mfini ho because who do one work the oba ka tie me wi ya ma me kwasa me respond there. And that was a make us na omu chaso. Omu chaso because tama make us no sorry ye e tune sa come so on me ba be ko.
Say see they with you.
No me person me kan ho komo. Asema so the me court be board me be ko bia me so mo dance for ne ma oye the oye no kra no your friend physical assault the oye no say kase ye kan ho asama so ati ase enti COC me na kase ni nyina wo offend the lawyer for me say me pese TV3 ebo ayi ni nyina ba public no ma anya me gina ha akase nyankopon a me nkokura no ene me dance ni sa dan say na me kasa no ene tu jump sa akom no sorry say one me ba be ko as a gentleman you don't fight.
I'm a patrol. Assembly C.
To me, as a TikTok gender minister, a country recording, you go so recording sexual and gender-based violence. No, any point say, oh yeah, Bema, nasa wo documented allegation of sexual assault. Any point say, Bema appointment say serving in this country because Bema say I had 2 appointments in NDC. They have documented allegation of sexual abuse. You require remember, say back na a 19-year-old girl, back on so na a student, or trauma dear university. Let's put politics aside and speak the truth to power for once. Why should we let them serve in this country? Why should we make them CEOs and what? Why should we even give them appointments? Ye young crowphobe or ha, what's on a more defend this idea way, and I'm more the politics, and yeah, can't be near politicizing or Ghana. And then I'm a serious country for once. What is the information that we are putting it out there for our younger ones to come and make decision out of it? Say, yet me pedophile, and I say men with documented allegation of sexual abuse, yet me more appointments. So therefore, what are we doing to help fight sexual and gender violence against children? What you say? I am Miami party now. Yes, I have to speak truth to power. I am young for who defending. I was some defending. I was some defending. And they said girls even sweep up on some because I'm university gone. Or my victim of the man. Now me bumpires on fan court. Now go do quarter. And man now what them first alpine way so say yes for great. And I say mumpia bonting. Now mo make kasa and testify. Now you strip off sa position now when you. Now Ghana ye serious country. Pedophile 4 million any amount appointment. I brought be only any allegation of sexual assault and so onyanya appointment. He say mo person normalize in penifo mudi nkwada our Ghana has said we penina so our voice na so we ska obetimi adi akora enko baabia aban bi so ba or besa no appointment into dear ne to protect or safeguard our girl child. Me dey bia me ka say me feel for ma do so chen me mentina me eya no me niabre me ndc omo se me ma no odin me kan ensem social media into me appointment employment omo ma me bi into say ne dey me asem sign no kra no me kan because me munim say appointment employment no ye can be dey agro keke ai into no say appointment we dey Mr President pam wo no mu fie ai me na me se me nka bi na ya na still na be ye wano den dey be ye gaga abe won to say asa wa ya o dey brofo e man no mo ya victim no so asa ma ya amaye ba ko ne krampo no 19-year-old girl no kra ko nyase ono kra de wata mu chuku nti ono kra de ne de no meka ba men kan say ne
Assalamu alaikum families. I hope everyone is well. My siblings over here, who is a Fasik? I've been asking myself this same question throughout today. F-A-S-I-Q or F-A-A-S-I-Q, Fasik. My scholar made me understood that a Fasik is someone who openly disobey Islamic law and repeatedly committing major or minor sins, right? These people, they have no concern of repentance. It may be someone who was born into Islam and refused to pray. Normally, that is how we describe these people. You get me right? And as what Islam taught me, we should not take such people's opinion if we don't have a concrete evidence about what they are saying. My inform some serious and someone can that is why Surah Al-Hujurat verse 6, that is Quran chapter 49 verse 6 said, "O believers, When an evildoer or a fasik bring you news, try as much as possible to verify if the news are correct. If not, you may